Alright, so I'm buying 4 flashlights, but that's all we can afford, so.
Good. Land. Let's go.
Cool.
Jeez.
Yeah,
We're on Vow, okay.
I'm gonna give you my house.
Alex. Alex.
No.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Oh.
Bird.
Oh, is he trying
Stay
to
away
touch
from
me?
him. Yeah, just stay away from him. Also, yeah, tab is a utility slot, so
Oh, no.
you can swap
Good
back
night,
from
friends.
your. No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm good.
Dude, I hate that bird so much. Why can't we not just steal from
I don't know.
Alright, go left.
There's also a bunch of small
Go
animations now.
straight, Dust.
Yeah, that's great.
Here.
Step on it. Do it. You won't.
I'm on it. I should probably go to Isaac, shouldn't I?
Yeah, it's okay. Hey, I found the apparatus. Me go burr. So the question is, should I pull the apparatus now? Or...
Okay, what are we doing?
Well, I guess they just wanted to call it a day already.
Okay, well.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
You just gotta go in here, you'll find it. Just like this, see?
I don't trust it.
See, I fixed it. No issues.
Oh, well, this is new.
That was mine, you fucking Alright, Caleb, I'm so sorry. You are gonna have to cut out a lot.
Oh. The Sapsucker's right there, so... Oh, there's this bridge. They made it out. Yep, all 3 of them are still moving, so that's ideal. Yes?
We have a fantastic idea.
If it has anything to do with the giant sapsucker, I don't know if I want it.
The bird cannot take all of us on.
It is day 1, so... Sure.
The bird cannot take us
Leaving
on.
my flashlight. See ya,
Yeah,
gang.
drop your flashlights.
It is day 1. Why the heck not?
And make sure you have all of your energy ready to go.
Ooh, hey. No, don't worry about me. Well, you know, I said we were going to think about this tactically, and I don't think any of us are thinking about this tactically. Who is this?
Me. Hey, you. Long-legged.
Freak? Yeah. Get him aggroed. Get him aggroed.
Something tells me this isn't feasible.
No, it's... Feasible's not the right word, but... It's something alright. You need to get closer
Like
to
there's
it.
3 eggs. It's got 3 eggs.
Yeah. You need to get closer. Call it names.
Hey, stupid Ed.
No, I'm talking to Isaac. Isaac, call it a woodpecker. Oh, both of you? Well, hurry up. Hey, guys.
Oh, fuck!
That's unideal.
It's got him.
Well, the other... Oh, freaking cat! Oh! I am hurt. I am very much hurt.
I think they are definitely both
Well,
dead.
yeah, we should go to the ship. I just got attacked. Yeah, that's right. Go away. Yeah, go away. Go away. Oh, I'm hurt. I am very much hurt.
Go!
Man, all you guys had to do was grab the bird. I had it right by the ladder.
Yeah, that's great, except for when the freaking cat decided it was gonna join the party.
Pretty hardy.
Yeah, all I hear is excuses. Alright, who's with me? Dusty?
It's me.
Apparatus?
Yeah, we need to get...
No, we don't.
Should I grab it immediately again?
Again? Yeah, absolutely. Alright, who pulled the apparatus? Alex, did you pull the apparatus?
No.
Who did it? This was really dumb, okay, guys?
What idiot.
The first time was funny.
Yes! Of course it was sad.
Of course it was Seth. Idiot.
Who else would be dumb enough?
Yeah, who would be dumb enough to do that?
Especially twice.
Found a key, my friend.
Oh, we could have used that for the door to the apparatus.
No, look, he was nice enough to drop it off at the door. Yeah, I think Seth might be dead. Hold on, let me go check. Oh, my flashlight died. Never mind, I'm not checking at all.
Yep, this.
Alright, we'll come back for that stuff. I know Isaac said he was going fire exit, yeah. Oh, they're on their way back, actually. We can yell at Seth for pulling the apparatus. I'll be right back.
There's a man-eater in there somewhere.
That's fine. Yo! Boys were cooking.
Caleb,
What?
Seth's saying he didn't pull the apparatus.
I don't believe it. Such a liar. Do you believe that, Alex?
Hell no.
Dude, it was little. Hey guys, I see a deer.
What?
I think it.
What? Oh, hey, there's that bird again. Those sapsucker.
Where is he?
Oh, I'm
Where
going
is
for it,
he?
I'm going for
Yeah,
it.
Seth.
See you, gang.
What? Oh, there he is.
What is
Just,
the
just,
bird?
just look at him. He'll run away now.
Where's the bird?
I just want to witness this. He locked in fast. Yeah. Hey, we got to be ready to take off. Apparently, they just grabbed the eggs, so.
I'll sit up. You sit. Are you guys alive?
Nope. I don't care if they are. We're gone.
Yeah, definitely not. Huh?
There was a bloody heap at the bottom.
I want to 1v1 that bird.
I know you do, bud. Don't worry. We'll get to eventually. This is a good boy.
You know
Just
what
behave
we
yourself
Oh,
and maybe.
I'm a
Need? You
good
know what we
boy.
need? You know what we need is TZP inhalant, and then we're golden.
I think you think all these things are gonna work, but
We should just get an RPG.
well, this is new. What the? Oh, it's the Glorps. It's a Glorp. He's so cute. He's so cute though. Ah!
I found the apparatus. I have the apparatus.
That's fantastic. I can't see. Wait, let me see. How does this? Oh my gosh! What the heck? Oh, it's not too bad. Wait.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, I was about to say you can. Wee. Oh. Oh. Right. Yeah, it's so slippy though. Oh, you were right. Oh my gosh.
Hello?
Hello.
scared the shit out of me.
Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Oh. Oh, there he is. Frick!
Oh, he just splooged on me.
Ah! Is anyone else alive?
I don't think so.
Oh, hey, somebody must be.
But if one person wants to grab the stuff and go back to the ship, I'll lead the other two to the big room.
I will go to big room.
I want to jump in
Don't.
so badly.
Yeah. Alright. There's that stuff.
No.
And,
Seth was the last one in here, so we can grab it.
Alright, guys. You got it. Don't any of you f up now, okay?
If
This would be
someone's gonna
really
do it, it's
embarrassing.
gonna be me.
It
Oh.
would be really embarrassing. Okay. Alright, this way. This way. Single file line. Okay. Oh. Alright, guys.
I can't see. I hope no one fell off.
Why is he laughing at me?
Guys, which way is the out?
This way.
Wait, I'm...
Hey, just... Ah! Don't worry about the gun fish. Oh! It's fine. Everything's fine. Alright, who's there?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck, and I don't know on what. Oh, frick! No! Not the slow fall off the edge.
Wait, did the gugfish just take us all out?
You still like the gun?
Guys?
It's pretty cool.
No way you guys lost the gugfish from the bug. That's crazy. You know, gungfish in a necessary jump, probably not a good combo.
Is he jumping on the? Is he jumping on the whoopee cushion?
I was
He's
literally
jumping on
not
this-
speaking.
never mind.
This dude's like in psychosis. Like, don't take his Wookiee cushion. That's the only thing that brings him joy.
Hey, drop that.
Right there. There you go. It's
Look
back.
at me
I
when
gave
I'm
it.
talking to you. That's not very nice.
No.
We're not selling that whoopee cushion.
Not on company time. Hey, I.
Okay, he called the wall daddy. Alright, so I guess we're
Yeah,
just
go
selling
stand.
everything
Go
at this
stand
point?
next to the sell point and do that.
No, we're good now. I thought at the doghouse. It was
The
easy. It was the
bazooka,
cheapest decoration.
kill the bird, that shit, all the eggs.
What else did you buy?
It better be a
Yes!
even better.
I'll wear the orange one. Don't worry. That way, there's at least a distinction between two of us.
Hey, don't be lame.
All right. So Bozo 1 and Bozo 2 get to
Ooh,
be the bunny
perfect.
suits.
Make sure you tighten them up. No.
Oh wait, move out of the way. Let me have him.
Oh, I
We
don't
have
like
him.
this.
Move.
Can we stop? I don't like this.
Oh, this is
Wait,
torture.
stop.
This is intentional. He says. This is
hurting
torture.
my eyeballs.
What if I
Stop.
store it? What if I store it? Does he go with it?
Wait.
Wait, please don't.
Put
Please
him
don't.
way over.
No.
Put him way over here for a sec. Put him way
Put him-
over here.
Put him like over here. Oh, you mean
Put
like
me in the
right there?
doghouse.
Yeah. No,
Oh.
it took away my control.
Oh.
Now we
I'm
leave.
in the doghouse.
We live him there.
What the fuck?
I'm trying. Hold on. I'm trying to.
Well, this hurts my head a little bit.
Okay, there you go. You're free.
Oh,
Why did you free him?
moons.
Go to
Alright,
Adamants.
We're going to Rend.
No, Adamants.
Okay, if you say so.
Adamants. Oh wait, no, never mind. Wait, what's the weather? Wait, no.
If you say
No,
so.
stop.
If you say
You better
so.
not.
If you say so. Looks like we're going to Adamants. Aww. And I tried so hard.
Oh, well.
Alright, so Alex is
Well,
straight.
this is new. I thought that was a landmine.
I did too.
Boo.
Dude, I'm so scared of gas leaks.
Yeah, wandering off by myself is probably fine. It's probably okay. Probably should have checked if the other door was unlocked, but it wasn't, so it didn't matter. Also, I think Seth died. I just don't know how.
No, I'm good.
All right. I'm headed to the fire exit that's behind the waterfall, just to see if there's anything near it. Well, considering there's a door open here, it's probably already been.
Bottom's the last time over here.
I don't know the map. I've played. This is my.
Oh no, I've never been to that fire. I've never been out of that fire. What is? Oh, that's a force giant.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh no.
Been nice knowing you. Reptiles. Dust.
I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet.
Yeah, but you in a bad spot.
I need to know when he gets away from the ship.
Yeah, well, he ain't doing that anytime soon, to be honest.
W comes. W comes.
All right, somebody wear the hazard suit. One of you wear the yellow.
I want to be pissed. I want to be pissed.
I'll be my little bunny. You
I did
it!
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
He's not the hero we want, but the hero we got. Big boat.
Oh shit! Coil.
I got it. But Isaac is dead though.
Oh, is he dead already?
You keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Just don't look away. I'm gonna put this in the elevator, and then I'm gonna go grab Isaac's body. Keep looking at it. Well, if you want to keep looking at it, well, that's not ideal. Yeah, you just keep looking at it. I'm gonna go into the caves real quick. I'm gonna go into the caves real quick and grab some loot. I'm in the caves. I'm grabbing loot right now. There's some more stuff in here. Do you want to go, or do you want to keep looking at it?
It's fine, I just watched it.
Alright, cool. We won't be long. We'll try to keep it short. Freaking. Oh wait, this might be his. Oh, now it is. Okay, there's water over there. King of bottles.
Where is it?
Unideal, unideal. There's a thumper. There's a thumper. Really? No! Nice. Okay. Hey, there's a thumper. We should probably go. Get in the freaking elevator. Okay, he's gonna take it on. We're going. Get in. Get in. We'll send it back down after him. Yeah, he died. Figures. Alright, Seth is dead, so... as was to be expected. Come on! Come on, man, you've got this! Alright, we're taking off. Hey, there's a turret somewhere.
Yeah, sure, right.
Oh, good to know. Plastic cup. I'm so totally gonna get lost, dude. Right.
We still alive?
Mostly. Well, that's useless.
Oh.
Ah!
Brother, you just scared the shit out of me. I did not know you were near me.
I heard you, and I was like, I'm gonna do it.
I don't like you. Go stand under that spike.
Oh, it's moving so fast. Oh, hey.
Another one? Dude.
Yeah. That definitely almost hit me that last time.
I wish. No, oh.
You're right.
I assume Alex is dead.
Jeez, that scared me half to death. Freaking.
Oh. I love gunkfish. Ow. Oh, I hear a lizard.
Yeah. Fire exit. I have 3 clown
My hand.
horns. Well, Alex is dead. I don't know how, but there's a lot of things in there.
You gonna go check main real quick and see if there's any loot that you left there?
I'll go with, just for buddy system. You stay on the ship.
Well, there's a giant somewhere.
It's probably fine.
Yeah, I heard him earlier. So I paused. Oh, I found him. Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
There's like a really fast enemy by Alex. I don't know what it is. There's a couple that are like going slow and then
Okay, well, I don't think he left any loot. Oh, he did. Big bolt. Oh, great.
There's something here to straight ahead of you, I think. Directly.
Oh!
Suck them all.
Well,
What'd you done?
the bracken got me. He thinks I'm alive.
Straight down that way. Caleb, are you dead? Caleb's dead. Isaac, you should just get out. Caleb's dead.
That's what I get for trying to go in with him.
Save stamina. Yeah, good stuff.
Should we go get Caleb's body?
Yeah.
That's a number.
He's definitely gonna die.
Yeah, there's no getting around that.
That's a bracken.
Yeah, just dip. It's not worth it.
Oh, soccer ball's gone again. I hate that thing.
Back up. Just stop.
Man, we're making bank, bro.
Ooh.
We're getting
Yeah, wow.
huge overtime from this, guys.
Yeah, we cooked.
We are so good at this.
I bought regular flashlights on accident.
April Fools, I guess. You're a day late.
Wow. Well, I guess we have a stockpile of regular flashlights. Can we sell them back for anything? Let's see.
That's actually, I'm so sorry. That's so troll.
I don't know how
That's
much we can sell them for. Yeah, you're not allowed on the
I don't think
console
any-
anymore,
Yeah,
but
that's embarrassing. Dude just bought all of the flashlights.
did you already order more?
I ordered pros, yeah.
Okay.
Trios,
Okay.
just a bunch of random
Good night,
flashlights.
Good night.
Good night.